Hi, Mikey.
Hi.
What did you just tell me?
What is that there?
I'm videoing you.
I can't see.
No, you can't, but you need to talk to me so I can video you. Tell me. What did you just tell me?
I can say, but Greg is in the middle.
Okay. Where are you?
I'm in the beach out.
Are you having fun?
No, on an old house.
No.
And yeah.
Are you having fun?
Yeah. I'm playing my kids going to school.
Uh-huh.
I was driving. It was little. I was driving across the car.
What? Where did you get that idea?
Almost like hit the crash cars. Almost they close and it turns.
Wow. I love you.
Oh,
Bye-bye.
Bye. What is it?